Greetings to all. Uh, Today I am going to demonstrate the app designer to model the gas power plant cycles. That means gas power plant cycles works on the Brayton cycles. So the students can practice the numerical problems using this app, and not only the modeling of these gas power cycles, they can also analyze by giving the proper range of the operating variables, such as the compressor pressure ratio can be given the minimum to maximum range, and similarly the gas turbine inlet temperature also they can assign certain range. So as per the given range, the students can study the performance characteristics. That means they can also analyze the performance of this gas power plants as per the given range. So first, let us see the modeling of these gas power cycles. And in this app, first we have to run this app to enter the data according to the problem. In this data, the first to see there are 8 models has been generated here. The one number one is the Brayton cycle. Two is with intercooler. Three is with the option of reheater or regenerator. Five is intercooler and reheater. Six is the intercooler and regenerator. Seven is the reheater and intercooler. Eight is all the combinations. That's Brayton cycle with intercooler, reheater, and regenerator options. So first, selecting one, starting with the Brayton cycle, and we are entering the specific heat of the air 1.005 kilojoules per kg Kelvin. Similarly, specific heat of gas, it's selected 1.1 kilojoules per kg Kelvin, and heat capacity ratio of air is 1.4, and gas also has been approximately assumed it's 1.4, and the selected pressure ratio for the compressor is 15, and minimum temperature in the Brayton cycle is 30 degrees centigrade, and maximum temperature in the that's turbine inlet temperature is 1250 degrees centigrade, and isentropic efficiency of the compressor is 85%, and isentropic efficiency of the gas turbine is 88%. The calorific value of the fuels that's supplied in the combustion chamber, gas turbine combustion chamber, is 42,000 kilojoules per kg, and pressure drop here is considered as 0.15 bar, and mass flow rate of air, that's working fluid, is 10 kg per second. Now we have the two options. One is air standard cycle, study of air standard cycles, where mass of the fuel is neglected, or fuel air cycles where the mass of the fuel is also considered. And we have this model is extended with the options of intercooler, the temperature ratio of the intercooler, which is defined as the intercooled temperature to the compressor inlet temperature. If the one means that is a perfect intercooling. Similarly, reheater temperature is ratio is also defined here. That is a reheater temperature by turbine inlet temperature. Here also it's defined one according given one. That means the turbine inlet temperature and reheater temperature both are same. Effectiveness of regenerative heaters is given as 0 0.8, and it has been repeated for the other combinations, the two or three the combinations in the Brayton cycle. As its the values has been repeated for these options of this intercooler, reheater, and regenerator. After finishing the entry of this data, now we have to execute this by browsing this push button, that's determine the properties, performance, and draw the TS diagram. So the now you can see the TS diagram on this right hand side. That's a simple Brayton cycle, and the results are displayed on the command chart. It's a window. The optimum pressure ratio, maximum net work, and thermal efficiency, and the maximum thermal efficiency at the maximum output. And the properties at each and every state, like there are 4 states here in the Brayton cycle: pressure, temperature, mass flow rate, enthalpy, and entropy. work output, thermal efficiency, and cycle work ratio, and cycle air rate also is calculated as per the given conditions. So it can be extended for this cycle, the models that's with the intercooler and with reheater, 4 with the regenerator, 5 intercooler and reheater, 6 intercooler and regenerator, 7 reheater intercooler, 8 with all the combinations. In this 8 model, intercooler and this is regenerator and reheater, all the options has been shown in this model.